Hey, if you want to set password for any application on your Samsung Galaxy A35 5G, for sure you can do this by creating the secure folder. And right here we can input any application that you want to protect from other people. So let me show you how to do this step by step. For sure, I'm gonna actually log and exit. I'm gonna actually uninstall this secure folder just to show you how it looks step by step. There we go. Now from this, we have to simply navigate into the settings. And when you are in the settings, click on the search and input this phrase, secure folder. As you can see from this, we have to select the first option, secure folder, and now we have to click continue. Then click continue one more time. And now you have to just wait for this creation process. It will take probably to like 20 or 30 seconds. And after this, we'll be actually able to input any application that we want straight into this folder and protect our data. So this is like super useful. Also, it actually allows us to create the copy of any application. So let's wait for this creation process. The folder will be for sure visible into the app drawer, but we can also put it into the home screen if you want. And you can protect it with the password. So you have to click done, and now from this you can pick the log method, pin, password or pattern. In my case, I'm going to use the simple pattern. I have to draw it on the screen and click continue and do this one more time. From this I have to click confirm, and now I can turn on the reset of this secure folder with the Samsung account. So it's useful when you forget your passwords, but in my case I'm gonna cancel because it's like very simple pattern. From this we can additionally enable the fingerprints unlock and the face unlock. Now we can click next, and as you can see we get already some apps right here, but if you want to add your favorite apps, click on the plus, and then let's say that I want to log the Facebook and maybe YouTube. Now I have to click add, and from this I can click on the three dots in the right upper corner, and if I'm gonna exit this folder, I have to click to log and exit. And now when I try to open it and get access into my apps, I have to just input my password. But you have to also remember to log in into all of these apps, because it's actually give you apps without any data. So just log in into them. And that's all. Right now, please subscribe.